Good morning, students. I hope you are all well. Now we are going to start with chapter number 7, that is percentage and its application. Earlier we had done chapter number 6. Okay. Sorry, chapter number 7 we have completed. Now we are starting with chapter number 8. In chapter number 7, whatever that has been left, that is exercise 7.3, is to be considered not in your syllabus. Okay. Also the word problems, we are not going to do those problems in this session. Now the name of this chapter is percentage and its application. So first of all, what is percentage and how to find out percentage? Okay, so first of all, what is percentage? Okay, before learning about how to find percentage, let us first learn about what is percentage. Mm, what is percentage? Percentage is a measuring factor. Okay, it is a factor of comparison of different things. Okay, like let me take an example that you can understand. Let there be a girl that is studying in Sophia school, and there be another girl that is studying in NBF school. Okay, in 7th class, let's say in Sophia there were 8 subjects, and in NBF public school there were 10 subjects. Okay, this girl in Sophia got 640 marks out of 800 marks, and this girl in NBF got 720 marks out of 1000 marks. Now parents of these two girls are fighting ki our girl get more marks, our girl get more marks, our girl get more marks, my girl is better, your girl is not, something like that. Okay, they are comparing the marks. Okay, so on the first glance it looks like that this girl in Sophia got more marks in girl in NBF. Okay, or you can say that the difference between these two marks and these two marks are different. On that way we can decide who is better and who is not. Okay, but these are not good comparison qualities, these are not good comparison standards. Okay, better comparison standard, for the need of better comparison standard, the percentage was included. Okay, so what was the percentage? How did we determine the percentage? Let us see. We determine percentage on the base of 10. Okay, we will say, suppose in a market, I will come to this example again, but in order to understand percentage, you take this example as well. Suppose in a market you went and you asked the shopkeeper, K, how much is for apples? How much does the apples cost? Okay, and shopkeeper very intelligently state that uh, half kg of apple will cost you rupees only 50. Okay, so don't get confused by that statement. Half kg of apples are bought for rupees 50, that means 1 kg of apple is bought for rupees 100. Okay, and 2 kg of apples will be bought for rupees 200. So as the amount of apples you require increases, you will have to pay more money. But in order to confuse you, the shopkeeper has given you the amount which is acceptable by your pocket, which is acceptable by your purse. 50 rupees is a decent amount. You can expend 50 rupees to buy some apples. Okay, but on in 50 rupees you only get half a kg of apples. Those are 2 apples, I guess. Okay, so that is not a very desirable rate. Okay, so in the same manner, what we do is we find out the percentage. How do we find out the percentage? We divide the number, okay, the marks by total marks. We divide the marks obtained by total marks into 100. So that will be 8 8 is 64, that will be 80%. In the same manner, the other girl from NBF, 720 upon 1000 into 100, that will be 72%. Okay, now we are clear that this girl from the Sophia got 80% marks and the same class girl from NBF got 72% marks. Now we know that out of 100 marks, if the paper would have been of 100 marks, this girl from Sophia would have gotten 80 marks, and if the paper was of 70 of 100 marks, this girl from NBF would have got 72 marks. Okay, now we still cannot compare them correctly because paper on both the schools are quite different. NBA paper tends to be much more difficult than the papers in Sophia. Okay, I'm saying that because I'm teaching you in NBA public school. So that was how we try to find out the percentage. Okay, now in this exercise 8.1, on this part of the chapter, we will determine various ways to find out the percentage. Once again, we will not do the word problems. We will constrain ourselves with just normal numerical problems. We will not go into the word problems. So first is how to convert fraction to a percentage and vice versa. We will be given some fractions and we will have to convert them into the percentage. So it is question number 5. Question number 5 is, with the help of this question, I will try to explain how to convert fraction to percentage. Convert each of the following fractions into a percentage. You have to convert each of the following fractions into a percentage. Okay. So how to do that? Let me take few parts for you. A part. A part is 14 upon 25. We have to convert 14 upon 25 into percentage. So in order to convert this into percentage, what we will do is we will simply multiply numerator and denominator by 100. We will simply multiply numerator and denominator by 100. So this will be 100 upon 100. Okay. Let me use that in second step. Or instead of multiplying numerator and denominator by 100, suppose you can try this 25. Simply multiply the number by 100. Okay. Simply multiply the number by 100. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, and 14 fours are is 56. The answer is 56%. Simple. Let me take some other examples. B part 7 upon 20. Okay, to convert this fraction into percentage, what you do is you multiply the number simply by 100. 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35, that is 35%. Okay, quite easy, right? And let me, yes, H part. I am taking H part because in H part there is a slight difference. Up till now, or on all other questions, the numerator is less than the denominator, but for H part only the numerator is greater than the denominator. So in order to convert it into percentage, we will follow the same procedure. 189 upon 150 into 100. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and let us check 3 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So this is 618 percentage. Okay, in this case your percentage is more than 100. Okay, in all the other cases your percentage will be less than 100. Okay, so this becomes a special case for you. If your numerator is more than the denominator, the percentage exceed the 100 mark. Fine. Okay, now we will do the reverse. Now what we will do the reverse. We will have some percentage terms and we will convert them into fractions. Okay, for question number 5, I have done 3 parts of this question. Remaining question I will leave to you for practice. And question, you can do question number 1 in the same way. In the book, you can mark question number 1 in the same way in your book. So, next is question number 6. Question number 6 is, write each of the following percents as fraction. Write each of the following percents as fraction. Okay, we have to write each of the following percents as fraction. Okay, so first of all, let me take A part. This looks the most difficult of all. 14 5 by 8%. Okay, we have to convert this percentage into fraction. Okay, so first of all, this is a mixed fraction type of percentage. So what we will do is, first of all, we will simply make it in proper fraction. Sorry, improper fraction. 18 fours are, what is 18 fours are? Sorry, 14 eights are. 14 eights are, 8 fours are 32. 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11. And we have to add 5 to 8, that is 117. 117 upon 8 percentage. Okay. Now what you do is, you remove the sign of the percentage. Listen carefully. To convert this into fraction, to remove the sign of the percentage, what you have to do is, you have to divide the number. You have to divide the number by 100. To make it into percentage, you multiply the number with 100. To make it out of percentage, you divide the number by 100. Okay, let me make a diagram for you. Number into 100 is equals to percentage, or percentage divided by 100 is equals to number. Okay, and instead of number you can say fraction. Clear enough? So here it will be 117 upon 800. Okay, so what we will do is, I will simply divide 117 by 8. It is 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 7, 8 fours are 32, and we will have 5, 1, 4 and 0 point, and why do I have to do something like that? It just leave it like this only. Okay, otherwise the point will be coming in, the answer will be coming in decimal and we will get confused there. So we have to convert them into fraction. We have already converted it into fraction. Okay, if we could have simplified it, then good. We cannot simplify it, then it's okay. Let us take another example and I will try to explain it more clearly. This is 3B part. It is 3.425%. Okay, so in order to change it into fraction, we divide 3.425 by 100. That will be 3.425 upon 100. Okay, now after removing the point, 3425 upon 100 into 1000. How 1000? After the decimal there were 3 digits, so I removed the point and introduced 3 zeros to the denominator. Now what we do is we simplify it further. I am dividing these numbers by 5 and the numerator and denominator. 5 6 are 5 6 are 30, 5 8 are 40, 5 5 are 25. 2 0. 5 1s are 5, 6 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20. So this will be 137 upon 4 1 2 3. Okay. So with this you could understand the method clearly. To convert a number from percentage to a fraction, you divide by 100. To convert a fraction into percentage, you multiply by 100. That's it. Next is converting ratio to percentage. Okay. Next is converting ratio to percentage. This is same as converting a fraction to percentage. Okay. So I will take question number 1 here. Question number 1 is 3 by 5 when expressed as a percentage when expressed as a percentage is what? Okay, so in the same manner that we did earlier, 3 by 5, and we have to convert it into percentage, so we will multiply with 100. 5 2s are 10, 0, 3 2s are 6, 60%. So that will be your B part. Okay. Now next part of the chapter will be converting decimals to percentage. Converting the numbers with some decimal value point into percentage, and then we will do converting percentage to decimals. Okay. So once again the basic idea will remain the same. What is the basic idea? The basic idea is we will multiply the number with 100 to make it into percentage, and we will divide the number by 100 to make it out of percentage. So we will do question number 7. I will do 2 parts of it. There are only 4 parts. Question number 7 is write each of the following decimal as percentage. Write each of the following decimals as percentage. Okay. So first of all you have A part. A part is 0.537. We have to convert it into percentage. How we will do that? We will divide the number by 100. Simple. Sorry. We will multiply the number by 100. So this is 537 upon 1000. Why 1000? Because there were 3 digits after the decimal. 2 zeros are been cut. So this is 537 upon 10%, or you can say 53.7%. Easy. In the same manner, let's do its B part. B part is 151.57. So in percentage, it will be 1.57 into 100. That will be 157 upon 100 into 100. That will be 157%. Easy. Now move on to question. Let us move on to question number next part of the chapter, that is converting percentage into decimal. This is question number 8. Write each of the following percentages as decimal. Write each of the following percentages as decimal. So first of all, let us take A part. A part is 47%. Okay, we have to convert it into decimal. So to convert into decimal, what we do is we divide the number by 100. That is 47 upon 100, and simply solve 0.47. Next is B part. B part is 7%, much more easier. It will be 7 divided by 100, that is 7 upon 100, that is 0.07. Okay, so with this, exercise 8.1 has been completed. We will not do questions after question number 8. Okay, those are all word problems. In this exercise, we are again not doing word problems. Suppose we encounter an exercise in which there are only word problems, so I will select the minimum amount of word problem, maximum amount of word problem that we can do. Okay, and I will inform you about it. So all the remaining questions should be done by you. Option based questions, question number 1 to 4, you can do in your book. Other questions you have to do in your homework copy. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.